Wi-Fi fuel hose.
Wi-Fi fuel?
Yeah.
Sounds like me after so what we're doing here is seeing if this thermostat works.
Well, we haven't got a microwave.
We ain't got a microwave and we don't think the kettle was hot enough.
I mean, it's bringing the glitter up, right?
The glitter's coming up lovely. The old Gary.
Yeah, it's opening. Starting to open. Just starting to boil. See it?
Yeah, see, I told you.
Yeah.
Right, 1 minute.
Yeah, it should open right up, shouldn't it?
Yeah, I want it open right up.
It's heading in the right direction now. There you go, dude, she's boiling, bubbling. That's it, 100.
Right. There's
So,
that, 1 minute.
As soon as that steadies up, you should be able to...
I see it, it's like boiling so I can fucking see it.
It should be open now.
See, that's my point, like, that's
Yeah.
open.
Yeah.
That kettle's gonna boil at 100 degrees, bullshit. Because that opens at, what's it, this one, 85?
What's the sound of stuff? It doesn't say. Oh, 82?
That's an 82, so that doesn't even boil to 82 degrees.
Fucking hell, Sam, we're going to get bloody Legionnaires.
We're fucked. That crack spoon, you know.
We've never actually sterilised. Just makes you feel better.
It's race bike time.
To be fair, you've seen how ugly this hanger is. It is an improvement.
Yeah. I said about the lean end.
I didn't want to do it, but now I'm doing it.
It's just happened.
How long to be a pressure?
No, I just...
Clearance, yeah. Hey, that sounded promising.
It's still attached with this bit of plastic.
So this is the DIY tail tidy, yeah?
The other side. Ah, yes. It's
Twice as cool, straight away. That looks so much better without that shit all laying there, man.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
That's what I said. I said I would have like cut it off myself, like maybe not in that manner, but then redesigned it on the back, like.
cut it off. Look, what was wrong with it?
Well.
What you gotta do is disregard all wiring.
Jesus, when he's poking through your menace. There you go. Bit of black gaffer tape. So the hole's not there. Cool.
So what we're going to do here is make this really small LED number plate light that looks a lot smaller in the pictures. Plug straight into the SV. Lovely and easy. With the lovely Milwaukee M12 soldering iron. Got my heat shrink ready. Cramp.
I can make a little bracket behind like that.
Yeah.
So you can mount that as well.
These are the little LED ones.
Yeah.
I've got one. So, So there's the culmination of the little bodged up tail tidy I did. As you can see where I wood sawed it off all nice and jagged and haggardy. Quality. And a bit of aluminium that I wedged in there and put a number plate light in and a number plate bracket there. cut out on the CNC plasma at work. Plate, gone for a little small, slightly less than legal one, but I need 3 hands here. Just sits up in there nice, and the plate will be illuminated by the little light up in there.